We're doing solar panel cleaning today. Regular client of 3-4 years. These are dirty solar sun power panels, as you can see here. I'm out here quarterly throughout the year. Every 3-4 months I return, make sure the panels are working at full potential. Cleanings could improve production by 20% more or less, depending on location. I live in the desert, so they become a lot more soiled than they would up north. I live in Southern California. A whole lot of dust in the air out here. You're able to walk on them. They're really tough. They're tougher than roof tile. I only weigh about 170. So I'm using soft water here, 4,000 psi, totally safe. The water just bounces off the panel like a laser hitting a mirror. So it's totally safe. It's not like I'm pre-spraying concrete, which eats the porous surface. With a hard, soft surface, it's completely different. When it meets pressure, it provides agitation and results. The panels are drying up flawlessly thanks to the soft water. I don't need to squeegee them off. I always send before and after pictures to my clients. They love seeing the results. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great weekend.